This is an introduction to the F-18 Hornet from Auto Rocketry. As you can see, it's a nice little size rocket. It's a skill level 3, but I kind of lean it towards the higher side of the spectrum, almost to a skill level 4. It's got some challenging aspects to it, like you're going to learn how to sand or bevel the edge of the fins so that that fin comes at an angle like that. On these tubes on the bottom, you do have to cut slots into them so that they conform to the tube. And then plus there's a vacuform wrap, this canopy here on the front, that is also a little bit tricky to cut out. So this is the Auto Rockets F-18 Hornet, which is part of the fighter fleet. So he's got other rockets in the series. He's got an F-16 and an F-104. You want to check them all out. They're here at Apogee Rockets. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.